we are going to learn about the applications of the computer network. What is exactly meaning of it? So firstly, we are going to learn about the computer network, basic terminologies of the computer network, and then the need of the computer network, and after that the applications of the computer network. So what is meant by the computer network actually? So the computer network is a collection of interconnected devices that shares resources and information. So how it shares? So currently we are sharing, I am sharing the information to you guys via the YouTube. So there is some type of the connection, right? Some type of the internet through which some type of there is a topologies through which we are connected. So the network allows for efficient exchange of data, enabling various applications such as email, file sharing, and internet browsing. Like I say, the internet browsing is an example of the computer network. Like now I am connected to you via the YouTube, via the internet. It is a type of the computer network. It comes under the computer network. These devices include computers, servers, printers, and other hardware devices. Uh, if I am not wrong, the students who are watching here may be from uh, engineering backgrounds or from other uh, BCA or BCA or any other streams. But if you are aware that we use the PCs in our colleges, in the lab, in that lab there are servers. So let's see via this diagram. Here you can see the PC. Let's consider it as a PC1, PC2, PC3. So all these PCs are connected through the switch. And then the switch is connected to the server. The server we have the various that firewall and all those things, but then again this server is connected to the printer through which we can print our uh, copies, and then the server is connected to the router is connected to the internet, that is router provides the internet to the server. Through the server the internet is passes through the printer, then through to the switch, and from the switch it goes to the end devices like the PCs, and from printer we print the our hard copies. So let's see the basic terminologies of the computer network. So the first is network. So what is meant by the network? A network is a collection of the computers and devices that are connected together to enable communication and data exchange. Second, the node. The nodes are the devices that are connected to the network. These can include computers, servers, printers, routers, switches, bridges, and many other things. That likewise, I have shown you in that diagram the how each and every one is connected to each other. We see that PC1, PC2, and PC3 were connected to the switches. Then the switches was connected to the router server. Server was connected to printers and routers. So it is the basic structure, and those who were connected via the nodes. Nodes are nothing but the wires, or it may be the IP addresses. A protocol. The protocol is a set of rules and standards that govern how data is transmitted over a network. The example of the protocols include TCP/IP, the HTTP, and FTP. Topologies. The network topologies refers to the physical and logical arrangement of the nodes on a network to to common net IP addresses. An IP address is a unique numerical identifier that assigned to every device on a network. IP addresses are used to identify devices and enable communication between them. Suppose we are searching on the Google, for example, and while searching, we ought we do with simply write that uh, if we want to if we want to go to access and website access in a website, we ought to we simply search for its server line, that is dash dash.com, or suppose google.com. So what here happens, we don't know IP address, it is very big, but it is unique as well. It may be about 122 128 bits or something like that, but it is big as well, and we can't remember. For that they have provided the shortcut using the http. So we when we type on the search bar http colon double slash then google.com, we directly connected to the Google's server, Google's website. So that is the part here we indirectly going through the IP addresses. So DNS is the domain name system, the protocol that is used to translate readable domain name into IP addresses that computers can understand. So here we see the www.com. So www.google.com. So as I said, the www.google.com or https google.com, they actually connect us to the their main IP addresses, because the IP addresses are very big and we can't remember it. For that, the domain name system, that is DNS, is introduced. Then the firewall. The firewall is a security device that is used to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. Firewalls are used to protect networks from unauthorized access and other security threats. The firewall is basically work as a security guard for our network. Service provider network. And this type of networks give the permission to the network capacity and functionality on lease from the provider. Service provider network include wireless communication, data carriers. And now wireless communications include our Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the best example for the wireless communication. It provides us the data range between 100 Mbps to 1000 Mbps. But yeah, it is the type of the service provider networks, is data carrier, Wi-Fi, of need of the computer network, resource sharing. You guys may have share your files, your videos, your photos via the WhatsApp or through the Instagram to your families, to via Bluetooth as well. So what is it? How you are able to share those resources to your friends, to your family? It is due to the computer network. It is due to the networking. So resource sharing is a part of, it is a basic need nowadays for us. It is the computer networking. Then resource availability and reliability. Now during the exams or to learn something new, we generally go through the websites, go through the various platforms and search for the various resources. And then how those resources are available on this platform, the headquarters of those platforms may be in US, maybe in UK, but then as well we users are available to read those. It is again due to the computer network, then performance management, then cost saving. Actually, to use network, we have to pay. So, like we all have our SIM cards. We all have to recharge it monthly or premium. But yes, it is a once the cost saving as well. And then increase storage capacity. For increasing the storage capacity, we use it in the internet. We don't download it, or we don't have to keep it in our devices. When we need it, we simply go there and use it. Reduces reduction error, then secured remote access. When actually the one who work from the home, they may able to understand what is the mean by the secured remote access, how we are able to connect with our clients, with our colleagues through via the network. It is a part of the secure network remote access. Application communication. So in it, email is one of the part. It is instant communication through the electronic mail. We generally uh, generally we go through the emails. Generally sends email for their uh, online applications to connect with our HR, to connect with our team lead, manager, etc. It is a officially official communication via the email. And then voice over IP services like Zoom meeting, then instant messages, real time text messages includes WhatsApp, Slack, video conferencing, webinars, meetings like Google Meet, Zoom as well. Then file sharing, user can share file over the network. Printer and peripheral sharing, devices like printers and scanners can be shared. Then centralized data storage, network attached storage, that is NAS or cloud storage system. E-commerce and online transaction, that includes online shopping platforms like Amazon, eBay. Online banking, online banking access to the bank services via internet. Payment gateways, secure online payments like PayPal, then UPI, PhonePe. Education and e-learning, online courses platforms like Coursera, edX, then virtual classrooms, real-time teaching tools, Moodle, Google Classrooms, and then access to research and ebooks, digital libraries and academic journals are the example of it. Then entertainment. Oh, it is the basic and well used. We use TV, YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, that is the streaming services. Then online gaming, multiplayer game and game streaming, social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, business and enterprise application, intranet or extranet. That is internal and partner communication, customer relationship management, that is CRM, tools like Salesforce, enterprise resource planning, that is ERP, integrated business management software, military defense, it includes secure communication, encrypted military networks, surveillance and reconnaissance, that is data transmission from UAVs, satellites, simulation and training, network training environment. Then remote access file, application and desktop remotely, enables work from home and remote IT support. Hope you guys clear with all this.